Welcome dear students. I am R.C. Razurkar and today we are going to discuss on 12th State Board syllabus. From 12th State Board syllabus we are going to discuss on 4.4 the sign of 4 by Arthur Doyle. Arthur Doyle is a British writer and actually he has made many detective stories, short stories he collected together and made some fictions also. And this writer has created a very great character named Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is an detective character and that detective character is very famous in London also. And today we are going to discuss on one story which is a detective story actually. And in this detective story there are some characters which we have to understand very perfectly. It is the sign of 4. The sign of 4. Why? Why it is given name the sign of 4? You will understand later on. Basically, I will tell you what are the characters in the story. First of all, understand. Actually, major characters, if you see, Mary Morstan is a major character in the story. And actually, her father, Mr. Morstan is also one of the major characters, and then Mr. Sholto, who is also a major, and Mr. Morstan also a major. They both were working in India, in the 34th Bombay Infantry in military. Okay, they were working as, and actually Sholto and Morstan were friends, close friends. Sholto has two sons. Their names were Thaddeus and Bartholomew. Thaddeus and Bartholomew. And other characters. And actually in this story, the detectives, these two detectives are there. Major detective, the main detective is Sherlock Holmes. And his friend, Dr. Watson, is also with him, always with him, to help him to any research, any search of crime in that story. Okay, and other characters also there, like Small and Tonga. Tonga is a character which has actually there is no identity, particular identity for him. He actually lives in Andaman. That is the island Andaman. He lives there. He is a native of Andaman. And Small is a person. Small is a person who is basically has no shelter and nothing. And actually the story begins with Small. Actually, Small has no shelter, and once he helped an ambassador, okay, who was actually an Arabian ambassador, and that ambassador he helps, and he impressed from Mr. Small, and Mr. Small is actually an handicapped person. He has one wooden leg. He has one wooden leg and actually handicapped, so has no shelter. So that's why that ambassador, तो जो राजदूत असतो, he requests him to come with him and join a job at his assistant. And at that time he was working in that bungalow where that ambassador lives. And actually story I am going to tell you with sequence, not without sequence. I will tell you the all story with proper sequence. Because when you read in the book, it is something confusing. The sequence are not given properly, so that's why it makes sometimes confusions. Actually, the story starts with small, and that small, when working at the home of that ambassador, there three Arabs comes. Huh? There three Arabs comes, and these Arabs uh, just tell him that if he would comes with them, if he would help them to murder that ambassador, because that ambassador has a lot of treasury, a great treasury with him, and if they will kill him, then they can take that treasury, and some share of that treasury they will give to Small. It was just explained to Small, and Small was totally caught in their idea. And he ready to help them. He became ready totally to help them. And then Mr. Small, this character, Mr. Small, help these three Arabs kill that ambassador, and all the treasury they capture from that ambassador. These three Arabs just went away from, but the Small is caught by the police. But the Small was caught by the police. पण स्मॉल जो आहे त्या अँबॅसेडरच्या तिथं काम करताना या तीन अरब लोकांनी काय केलं की त्याचा खून करण्यासाठी त्याची मदत घेतली आणि खजिना लुटला. अँड ॲक्च्युली द स्मॉल वॉज कॉट विथ पोलीस, अँड देन he was just sent to the jail. But before going to jail, he has just hide that treasury somewhere. He had hide the treasury somewhere, and Mr. Small and these three Arabs, they had made a sign agreement about that treasury to getting share. These sign of these four persons, and he was transferred to the Andaman jail. And while Mr. Small was in the jail, what was the name of in the jail? Andaman. In Andaman, when Mr. Small was in the prison, and there was on duty as a guard Mr. Mostyn and Mr. Sholto. These two majors were working there as guards. And Tonga was also as a native person of that Andaman. Then what happens? Mr. Small make friendship with Mr. Mostyn and Sholto. He make friendship with Mostyn and Sholto, and he convinced them, I have a great treasury. If you help me to escape from this jail, then I can help you, and I will give you share of that treasury. But when these two persons refused, and Mr. Sholto was ready to go there where is the treasury, and he will take out that treasury, and he will take it treasury to the Andaman, and then they will divide into the share. And actually Sholto with Mr. Tonga, these two persons went wherever the treasury is, and basically they went there, got the treasury, but Mr. Sholto does not return. Mr. Sholto does not return to the jail. He double crossed Mr. Small. What happened actually? की जेव्हा हा स्मॉल जो आहे तो तिथं जेलमध्ये गेला तेव्हा त्यानं मैत्री केली मिस्टर मॉस्टन आणि शाल्टो सोबत. या दोघांसोबत मैत्री केली. त्यांना सांगितलं माझ्याकडे खजाना आहे आणि जर तुम्ही मला साथ द्याल तर मी तुम्हाला तो खजिन्याचा काही भाग देईन. बट ऍट दॅट टाइम त्यावेळेस शाल्टो काय करतो, मिस्टर टोंगाला घेऊन जे काही पत्ता यानं सांगितलेला आहे, वॉट एव्हर अड्रेस वॉज टोल्ड बाय मिस्टर स्मॉल, ऑन दॅट अड्रेस ही वेंट देअर अँड कलेक्ट द ट्रेझरी, but double crossed to the small and Mr. Mostyn also, and with that treasury he ran away to London. Actually he ran away to London, and after that Mr. Mostyn also came to London. Mr. Mostyn also came to London. When he came, 3rd December 1878. 3rd December 1878, he came to London and called to his daughter. Who is her daughter? His daughter Mary. He called to Mary. He called to Miss Mary, and he called and told, I am at the Langham Hotel, London. I have come successfully to London. I have come back to London successfully, and I have rest now in the Langham Hotel, London. And please come there and meet me. So she went to Langham Hotel. When she went to Langham Hotel, London, actually that hotel manager told Miss Mary that her father is disappeared from last night and he didn't come. Then she just got confused what happened with her father. She doesn't know. Then manager told her, please go to police and give advertisement in the newspaper also. Then she gave advertisement in newspaper. She complained with the police, and after that she went to her father's friend Mr. Shalto. She went to Mr. Shalto, who is now living in London. She went to Mr. Shalto, but Shalto refused to admit that he know about her father. He just show that he is surprised that Mr. Mostyn had come to London. I didn't have any idea about that. Means he shows that he is so innocent. He has no idea about her father. And then she went away to home. And after near about 4 years, means after 4 years in 1882, in 1882 there was an advertisement. There is an advertisement in newspaper. There is an advertisement in newspaper, and that advertisement was, who is Mary Mostyn? Please come forward because it will be beneficial for you. She read that news, and who was her landlord? Miss Mary. And that landlord advised Miss Mary to give another advertisement of her address, and she gave the advertisement of her address in the newspaper. She gave advertisement of her address in the newspaper, and on the next day she got a parcel. On the next day she got a parcel. In that parcel there is a pearl, very expensive pearl, मोती. मित्रांनो त्याला मोती म्हणतो आपण, pearl. And she got that pearl from 1882 to near about 6 years. Continuously she got. But actually, what happened at 1882? She does not have any idea who was sending her pearls. She had no idea. But after 6 years, she got an letter. After 6 years, Mary Mostyn got an letter. And in that letter was a message, please come today evening 7 o'clock to meet me at Lyceum Theatre, London. Where? Lyceum Theatre. She was called to meet at Lyceum Theatre in London. But also there was a note, if you scared, you can bring your 2 friends with you, but don't call the police. If you will call the police, it would not be beneficial for you and me too. So please don't call the police. And at that time, now this Mary Mostyn went to Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is actually detective. At that time, Mr. Sherlock Holmes and Watson just discussing on a matter, sat in their home, okay, and discussing on a matter. And at that time, this lady, Mary Mostyn, who is a very charming girl, very beautiful girl, she enters in their room. And Mr. Watson put his eyes on Mary Mostyn and he started to talk her. Okay? She said, my father disappeared last 10 years ago. And he said, what's the matter? Tell us properly. Then she explains everything. He came to London. He called me to the Hotel Langham. When I went there, he was not there. From that date, he was disappeared. And after 4 years, in 1882, I got an advertisement in paper. When I published my address, I started to get every year 1 pearl. She told everything to him, and also she had brought those pearls with her in a purse. She opened that purse and showed to them. When Mr. Watson see that pearls, he really excited, really surprised. These pearls are very expensive. And he says, okay. And she told them, one person had sent a letter to me and he told me to meet at the Lyceum Theatre and bring 2 friends with me. So I request you, because I have no good friends, so I request you, please come with me to help me. Then Mr. Watson also and Sherlock, the Sherlock told her, yes, we are ready to come with you. Just come at 6:30 and we will leave to the theatre. And just he sat down, but Mr. Watson was looking at her when she was going through the stairs. He watched from the window, and when she goes away, he turns to the Sherlock Holmes and says, what a lovely lady, so beautiful. Sherlock Holmes just lighting his cigar and says, really? I didn't saw her properly. He says that. And this dialogue and everything, Mr. Sherlock went out, and after some time he come back and says, yes, the case is solved. I have some information. Because Mr. Sholto is died at 28 April 1882. And there is something about it. And at 6:30 exactly, that woman come, that lady, Miss Mary Mostyn, comes to Sherlock Holmes' home, and they both, Sherlock Holmes and Watson, accompanied her, and they went to the address given, and who has wrote a letter, who has called them. They came at Lyceum Theatre, at the 7th number pillar of that Lyceum Theatre on the left side. When they went there, it was totally dark, and suddenly one person appears in front of them. One person appears in front of them, and that person is Mr. Thaddeus. Thaddeus Sholto. Thaddeus Sholto. The son of Mr. Sholto. And at that time, when they come to Mr. Thaddeus and talk with them, at that time he tells everything. At 28th April 1882, their father died away. Okay, passed away. And when he was totally ill, his father, Mr. Sholto, was totally ill. And in the same period, Mr. Small was released from the jail, and he made to Tonga. Tonga took him to the Mr. Sholto's home. At the same time, when Sholto called his two sons to him to explain them where is the treasury he had hid. Then when he explained them where is the treasury and everything, when he explained them, and at the same time, his father watched at the window and says, please, be away from that person. He cried and just left this world. He passed away. And the treasury was with Bartholomew. They both quarreled on that treasury. Actually, Thaddeus says it is treasury not only of them, it has the sharing of Mostyn also, Mary Mostyn also. But Bartholomew was not ready. So that's why they had given advertisement for as a remuneration. ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो की एक काहीतरी फंडिंग दिली जावी. So that's why they were giving her one pearl every year. And it is very expensive pearl they were giving to her. Okay, he told them, and he says, where is the treasury? They said to the Bartholomew. Then from the Lyceum Theatre, they catch a cab, and who? Mr. Thaddeus, then Mary Mostyn, Sherlock Holmes, and Watson. These four persons went to their home, Thaddeus' home. When they reached at the home, the servant came out and he said, Master, our Master Bartholomew didn't came out of his room till morning. They were surprised. When they went to his room, he saw through the keyhole. Who? Mr. Sherlock Holmes saw through the keyhole and saw that very strange face of a person. They broke down the door and went inside, and they saw there is a small arrow in his neck, which is poisoned arrow, and Bartholomew is dead. Then after that, Mr. Sherlock Holmes observed that room. Mr. Sherlock Holmes observed that room, and in that room he found a oil which is generally used in the wooden leg. Actually, Mr. Small had a wooden leg, and he applied that oil on his wooden leg, and that was dripped. So he bought the dog Toby. Then Mr. Sherlock bought the dog Toby, and with the help of Toby, they followed him and reached at the sea, where they met Thompson. Thompson told them, Mr. Small and Tonga, these two persons, okay, have just hired a boat and went away. Then, with the help of police, Mr. Sherlock Holmes, Watson, and Mary Morstan searched with a team in all that area of the sea, and somewhere they found the Mr. Small and Tonga, and they were going through the boat, and though all these persons followed him and at last caught him down. Mr. Small was caught down and he was sent to jail, and whatever the tin box he had with him, it has nothing in it. There was no treasury. Then Mary Morstan got nothing, no treasury and nothing. And at last, basically, Mr. Watson fell in love with Mary Morstan. And Mr. Watson married with Mary Morstan, and they live their life very happily. This is the end of the story. Friends, I have told you this story very in short way, but every incident, every moment, every particular scene I have captured in this story. Okay? Thank you. We will see in next lecture. Thank you.